In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can enable call screening here on your iPhone with the latest iOS 26 update. This is also going to work in future iOS versions, so keep that in mind. And what this feature does is lets you screen calls before they even ring. It's super useful for avoiding spam or unknown numbers. But before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point you do have any questions, ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But first things first, go ahead and open up your settings app on your iPhone and scroll down until you see the app section down at the bottom and open it up. And from the app section, go ahead and just navigate to the P section and open up the phone app. Within the phone settings here, you're going to want to scroll down just a little bit and you're going to see an option that says screen unknown callers, and there's 3 different options within here. The new option iOS 26 does is let you ask the caller for a reason before the phone rings. When someone does call from something like an unknown caller, your phone's going to prompt them to explain why they're calling, and you'll see this information and then decide whether to answer or not. This is obviously a lot better than just silencing the call because now you're going to get content before picking up. And depending on your carrier, you may also see silence unknown callers as well as spam filtering. Combine all of these with iOS 26's call screening and you'll have so much more control over incoming calls. But what I recommend turning on for screen unknown callers is just ask reason for calling and you'll be good to go. But yeah, that's it. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.